Hello, I'm Anne Davis, founder of Fashanne, Fashion Designers of the Future Awards. Our mission is to reach out a helping hand to the next generation and connect them with industry to the benefit of both. It's all our responsibilities to give back, and in so doing we can also help champion diversity, sustainability and inclusion, all pillars of the Fashanne movement. On top of that, an evening of excellence, showcasing our students and indeed our sponsors, and a great night for everyone. Of course, none of us expected COVID, but with our extensive television experience, we were able to immediately transfer our awards online. And this year, well, the entries are better than ever.
I'm Garry Knox, Sustainability Director for GreenEarth.com. It's great to be back at the Fashanne Awards. I've been going through the entrance for this year's Sustainability Award. It's been great to see that there are more than last year. It's been of a very high calibre.
Repurposing and sustainability is always a big thing for me. The inspiration for my concept started off with my granny, and she is still very much an inspiration throughout.
The collection aims to create conceptual garments that are environmentally responsible and leaving little or no impact once they reach the end of their life cycle. So I've done this by looking into biodegradable and recycled fabrics, also including components as well, so everything's natural within this collection.
The sustainability strategy is the business strategy, especially with such a new focus on green recovery. That's why it's particularly important that no stone is unturned when it comes to bringing sustainability actions and messaging to the forefront.
I have sourced a wide variety of fabrics that are different in texture and weight. Most of these are dead stock or come from small businesses or are made from recycled materials. This was a really important design choice as it relates back to my concept of bettering our society, and it is a really important issue to raise awareness of sustainable practices. It was important to use end-of-line fabrics in my collection as it means that each garment is one of a kind.
All entrants have demonstrated their creative thoughts and ideas and the hard work that's taken place to get them to this stage. We've had influencing themes such as plants, grandmothers, Extinction Rebellion, food waste and theology.
Now, I created quite a beautiful connection to my past and to this contemporary collection by using upcycled fabrics from the interior furnishings of the community house in which I used to live. And so I emphasised the use of reusing your waste and upcycling fabrics to create a zero waste collection, in which I also incorporated zero waste pattern cutting.
At GreenEarth Cleaning, we are passionate about the detail. We have to be to do what we do, and it's been fantastic to see such detail within the submissions. So congratulations to all the nominees who've worked tremendously hard, and of course congratulations to the winner. And to all of you, keep on doing what you're doing. Thank you. And the winner of the Sustainability Award, sponsored by GreenEarth Cleaning, is Dominica Buonasorte from University of Derby. Well done.
I began my initial research for my final project during the first lockdown when we saw the environment change for the better, which urged me to research how much the fashion industry was truly contributing to the damage. The two main areas of pollution I focused on was landfill sites and water pollution caused by the dyeing process of garments. Seeing the devastating effects encouraged me to create a final concept which could do good.